Hey, what's good, learning machines? Welcome back to another video. We're going to talk about how you can make money with Instagram and Clickbank, alright? And there's a lot to learn here, so stay tuned till the very end. You don't want to miss 1 second of this video because I'm going to share a lot of value. So here we are in Clickbank, and I'm going to show you how to sign up for Clickbank. If you're not signed up yet, we're just going to talk about that real quick. So here you are, you're signing up. It's very easy. You'll instantly get approved. So you just give all your information and it's simple, bro. Alright, and here we are back here. You just gotta pick a niche, bro. So here we are at Clickbank. Go to the affiliate marketplace. And you want to find the best converting offers because you don't want to promote a crappy offer, okay? So just press the search button and you'll find all the top offers across the network. Okay, from all niches in the network. So here you got Fat Belly Fix as the #1 one. Then you got Ted's Woodworking. You got His Secret Obsession. All these ones are literally the top ones. Okay, the Red Tea Detox. Okay, and the Gravity is what you gotta look for. Like, are there other affiliates promoting it? Okay, that's how you know it's a really good offer. Is there's a lot of other people promoting it. All right, and you can pick whatever niche you want to go in. Okay, whether it's health or fitness. It doesn't matter what you choose, just do something you want. Okay, now create an Instagram account, okay? And how you do that is you just go and create an account, okay? You gotta pick a page to model after. So let's go find a page to model after. If you want to do numerology, that's one of the top offers on Clickbank. So here we are on Instagram, Numerology 101, and you can grow an Instagram account in niches outside internet marketing and business very quickly, because those are smaller niches, the internet marketing ones. So here we are at Law of Attraction. Just look at a bunch of pages in your niche, okay? And now use hashtags when you post consistently. You have a consistent theme, okay, and all these things. You need to post on stories, you need to engage with your audience, you need to try to feed and engage and do an engagement group, bro. Okay, you need to find an engagement group in your niche, okay? That might take you a while, but then have long captions, follow and unfollow people. Yes, it does work. And then shout out for shout outs work great once you're bigger. And then live streams and IGTV, all these things you need to do. Okay, and like I said, pick a niche that actually is big, like numerology is what we're showing in this video. So have just like a consistent theme though. That's like a big key. You gotta like have a consistent theme. Or you can just do kind of what Mr. Beast does and just have a bunch of random posts if you want, but people will unfollow you if you don't stay in the same niche. So you gotta do that. And you just need to literally engage with your audience. So let's say they DM you. You should DM them back, okay? And you should add bonuses to the affiliate offer you're promoting. We'll talk about that a little bit later. But yeah, man, if you have people commenting on your post, you need to respond to them, okay? If you have people liking your post, you can go and DM them and say thank you. If you have someone just barely follow you, literally click on their profile and then message them with a template message talking about your Clickbank offer, okay? You literally need to be posting consistently, you need to be contacting them, talking to them. If you think about it, Instagram is kind of like an email list for the modern day, okay? But it's free. It's a free email list, okay? That's why you see YouTubers push people to their Instagram, follow them there, because it's literally a free email list, and it's better than email. It's better than email, okay? But email at the end of the day is going to be always there, and it's a great thing to have. Anyways, long captions, okay? Readers are buyers, okay? So if you have a long caption that story sells them, do it, okay, in your post, because people who read buy, okay? Very important to understand. People who read honestly have money, but anyways, because you know, people who are intelligent have money, right? And anyone can be intelligent if they put in the work to be smart. I mean, it's not like you're born dumb. But anyways, next you can follow unfollow, okay, and it works. You can actually get softwares for follow unfollow if you want, and yeah, they do work. Some of them get banned, but okay, here we are back here on Instagram. And literally you can screenshot. I don't recommend screenshot. I recommend, if you're on mobile, screenshot. If you're on desktop, just download. And there's actually Chrome extensions, just so you know, and I'm not going to show you in this video, but you can look them up and they will literally download the top 1% engagement photos and videos on whatever Instagram page you're on, okay? And you can download the top 1% engaged things. And that's good because now you're posting the best content, okay? I just thought I'd tell you that. Shout out for shout outs are great because literally you're trading followers for followers. It's a win-win situation, so you guys can grow together, all right? If you have a personal brand, do live streams, okay? If you do IGTV, that's kind of an untapped opportunity in a way, okay? And there's just kind of a big opportunity there, okay? You can take advantage of that. So here are the don'ts. Do not be spammy, okay? Do not buy likes or followers, all right? Next, copy people's posts without giving them credit. That's just very bad. That is very, very bad. Do not do that because they can get mad at you, okay? Next is don't be inconsistent, okay? It's very bad. If you're inconsistent, then guess what's going to happen? People are going to come to your profile, see you haven't posted in a while, and they're going to unfollow you. Alright? So you need to be consistent, whether it be with both story posts or posts. Alright? Next, you cannot follow too many people at one time or in one day, especially when you first start, okay? Because literally, they have the algorithm where it can track that, and if you follow too many people in a day or like too many people's posts or whatever, you can get shut down, okay? Don't DM too many people either. They have an algorithm in place for that too, okay? And put your affiliate, don't direct link, okay, with your affiliate links, and don't use Bitly, okay, for direct linking, okay? It doesn't work. You just need to have a landing page. You can use Google Sites, or you can get ClickFunnels or Builderall or anyone like that. I recommend ClickFunnels and Build an Email List, though. We're going to talk about that. Now, you need to create a landing page to start collecting emails and follow up with them with tons of offers, okay? Very powerful stuff here, and that's what we're going to talk about. If you're going to do free traffic, I do recommend you at least pay for an email autoresponder and ClickFunnels, okay? If you want to make big money. So here we are in ClickFunnels, and here is a simple landing page. You got a background, a headline, a subheadline, media, which is the image, and what they're going to get, bro, is what the headline is. Okay, this brand new video, how to manifest cash in 24 hours. Okay, always have numbers in your headlines, it helps. Okay, then they just give their email address. You can have them give their name and email address if you want, and then you give them the free video, bro, okay, in the email. And then right after they opt in, you just can redirect to either a thank you page, or you can redirect straight to the offer. All right, and here are the pricing options for Aweber, okay? And Aweber is like the best in my opinion. I like Aweber the most. And you can just get the basic plan. All right, here you go. Free numerology readings. You can give that for free. Just try to think outside the box. With whatever niche you're doing, just give something free. You can literally link to a YouTube video, bro. That's one of the coolest secrets ever. Something they'd be interested in, because there's really good YouTube videos out there. Anyway, so here's a top offer right here. New Manifestation Magic. You can promote that. All right, it's a very good one. It like converts, so promote it. That's what we're talking about here. And you just need to look at the affiliate page here, look at what others have done, look at the emails that they give you that you can use. Okay, email swipes are powerful. You just literally copy and paste them into your email follow-up sequence and you can start making money, bro. It's that simple. Okay, don't overthink all this. I hope you guys are watching every second in this video. If you haven't, go back and watch again. And if you're getting bored, then bro, you gotta stick through it. Okay, anyways, so I'm scrolling down here and check this out. Literally just copy and paste this stuff into your email autoresponder. You can follow up with people because 95% of people buy later, 5% buy right then. Okay, very powerful. Now, it's all about getting traffic once your system is set up. You got the landing page opt-in form. Now you just drive traffic, okay? And you just got to make posts on your account, use stories and pools and DM them. All these things will drive traffic. This is just doing specifically with Instagram. You can also drive traffic with YouTube, okay, to your opt-in page. And you're going to start collecting a lot of emails, okay, On average, per person on your email list, you should be earning $1 per month, bro. $1 per month. So it kind of is recurring as long as you promote new offers and the same offer, 2 people. Okay, you can email blast them, or you can just have the autoresponder. But everyone should at least buy that front end affiliate offer you're promoting. Okay, and if you have to add in bonuses, that's one of the biggest secrets to increasing your Clickbank conversions. Add in bonuses. Okay, it's very powerful. Highly recommend it. If you guys want to check out my affiliate marketing course, you can do so at the link down below. It can change your life. I give so much value in there and secrets and everything. So check that out and check out more videos on the channel. And I will see you later. Peace out.